Nanotechnology, NeverWet water-resistant coating. Introduction. NeverWet is a water-resistant coating developed by Ross Nanotechnology that can be applied to a variety of items to make them effectively waterproof. By applying the coating on the surfaces of shoes, phones, even an iPhone, and clothing, it was shown by Ross Nanotechnology that the properties of this coating were such that it repelled a variety of substances that were liquid in nature, leaving the material that was originally coated in NeverWet completely unfazed and free from the effects of the liquid. The potential applications of this technology range from making clothes impervious to stains that are liquid in nature to potentially removing the need to wash clothes. For example, NeverWet was applied to the surface of a white shoe, and after the coating had settled, the shoe was subject to various liquids such as motor oil, chocolate syrup, and even paint. The liquids seemingly rolled off the coating onto the ground, leaving the shoe clean and pristine. Other potential applications of the technology range from its potential use on cars, gadgets, watches, and even on the surfaces of boats. The result is the potential to develop new types of products that can last longer, since the wear and tear normally associated with damage from liquid-based sources is in effect nullified due to the super-hydrophobic nature of the coating utilized. It is based on this that it can be stated that NeverWet is an amazing new development within the field of nanotechnology and has the potential for thousands if not millions of potential uses on a wide assortment of products and processes currently on the market today. Embedded nanotechnology. Essentially, the properties of the embedded nanotechnology in NeverWet make the surfaces it is applied on super-hydrophobic. What this means is that it in effect repels any liquids that are poured onto it. Nanotechnology works by creating a contact angle between liquids and the surface of the coating, resulting in the liquids literally rolling off when applied. Benefits. The obvious benefit of utilizing NeverWet as compared to the non-nanotechnology approach is that the items in question virtually do not get wet, resulting in fewer instances of damage related to moisture or exposure to liquids. For example, NeverWet has been successfully applied to shoes, clothing, and various types of technologies to the extent that due to its super-hydrophobic properties, such items remain relatively water-free even after extended periods immersed in water. The potential applications of this type of technology onto other mundane items within an individual's life, such as on car surfaces, frying pans, or even on clothing, is staggering and, as such, reveals the unparalleled benefits of its utilization as compared to other such coatings within the same category, for example, Teflon or Rain-X treatment procedures. Conclusion. Overall, it can be seen that NeverWet is an amazing new development within the field of nanotechnology.